I want to talk to you about Houzz Pro. And when you think about Houzz Pro, I want you to think about a proposal management software tool. But what we love about Houzz Pro is that it's a pretty scalable. And so into this conversation, I'll talk to you about the functionalities, the pricing, the pros and cons, everything. So this is actually an in-depth review of Houzz Pro proposal software. So here's the synopsis I want you to really pay attention to. When you think about Houzz Pro, I want you to think about an all-in-one package for contractors and design professionals. And what we love about this package is that you have a package that has marketing solutions, project management tools, estimate builders, visualization tools, proposals, as well as sourcing capabilities. So when you think about Houzz Pro, that's what we love about Houzz Pro. I want you to think about the one-stop solution. I want you to think about the holistic approach to handle the project, all kinds of projects from start to finish. And using its proposal building feature, you can easily insert your own logo while at the same time pulling custom labor and material library with only one click. And a preset, or let's say a preset or a configuration of certain functionalities can be done too. And also you can have a markup or even local taxes. All those things can be done now without any hassle within Houzz Pro. So that's what we love a lot when we think about Houzz Pro from a scalability perspective. I want to quickly walk you through the pros and cons of Houzz Pro and see how you can actually adapt this tool this year to your operations. So let me first talk to you about the pros here. When you think about Houzz Pro, I want you to think about efficient marketing tools that are embedded in the tool itself. I want you to think about easy to build branded proposals, so you can actually have proposals real fast. You can have them out real fast. You can efficiently manage projects. And you also have a user-friendly online platform. So those are some of the pros that you can expect to have when you go with Houzz Pro. What about the detriment here? Well, they do have a slow mobile app. You have limitations in terms of budgeting, and mass messaging is not available right now in the software. And also when it comes to reporting, we think that Houzz Pro, they can do better. So they're not where they're supposed to be yet in terms of reporting and analytics. So something to really think about. So when you think about Houzz Pro, what kind of features can you expect to have? Well, you can do a lot of things. You have the ability to actually create professional proposals within the tool. So you have a beautifully branded proposals so that you can let your clients review and approve online. And you can pull products from your custom sourcing library in seconds. And what we love here is that with Houzz Pro, the proposal perks never end because you have the scalability aspect of things. So that's really fantastic. You also are able to polish up your proposals. So if you have existing proposals that you're trying to really beautify, you're trying to prettify, then you can actually use Houzz Pro to actually add an extra layer of granularity, an extra layer of branding, an extra layer of optimization to the proposal. Because the whole idea here is to win the deal, right? It's to win the contract and to increase your revenue. So that's kind of important to think about. So bottom line is you can showcase your brand. You can source from any site. You can add products from your library. You can protect your margins. And you also have within a Houzz Pro, you have client winning discounts. So that's really fantastic. Let me really go a little more granular when we talk about the features here. So when I speak about showcasing your brand, basically you are able through Houzz Pro to make sure that you have every proposal as well as document features. So all those can be packaged beautifully and professionally within the tool. So the tool will help you actually have a nice package. That's important. And you can source from any site in the sense that you can instantly clip and save photos and product details from your favorite vendors or anywhere on the web into your personal library and directly to projects. You can add products from your library, so you can instantly, for instance, through Houzz Pro, you can add products and services from your catalog to your, let's say, to your room boards, to your tier sheets, to your proposals, to your invoices, and even POs, your purchase orders. You can really also protect your margins in the sense that you are taking full control over what the clients see, from masking product names to presenting markups. You choose what you want to share in each proposal. So you have a really flexibility there. You also have client winning discounts. So adding a discount is a great way to win over clients, right? So with Houzz proposals and invoicing software, you can add a number or percentage based discount to the subtotal. So again, the whole idea is to win revenue, more revenue. Another feature that we love within Hospro is that you have the ability to propose custom products with ease. And what we love about your ability to propose custom product with ease is that Hospro allows you to tailor your product proposals based on the geography, based on the demographics, and based on the timing, the chronology. That's really great. So if you are creating a custom piece of furniture for our clients, you are able to have a line item grouping. So for instance, you can list out all of its components and group them together under one main item. And the cool thing about that is that you have the ability to actually optimize. You can cross sell. You can upsell based on the configuration you want your proposal to have. And all your clients sees is the name of the piece, while the full list of components is visible only to your firm on the internal version of your proposal. So you have the back end and you have the front end. So the client will see the front end and you will see the back end, the back end on the Hospro side of things. You also another feature, another module that we love within Hospro is that Hospro actually can position itself as your powerful database. You have a powerful database at your fingertips in terms of product, in terms of materials, in terms of services, in terms of capabilities, in terms of skill set. It really depends on how you configure things from the get go. So that's really fantastic. Now, one thing we love within a Hospro is that Hospro can be adaptable to your industry. Of course, I told you earlier those industries that really would benefit from Hospro, but the good thing is that this software can be adaptable to any sort of industry, as long as you're able to know what you want the software to actually do for you, right? Because the software will do whatever you want it to do in terms of proposal, in terms of quote management, proposal management, in terms of sales management, in terms of contract management. So that's really good. This level of granularity is really welcome, especially if you are bidding on multiple projects at the same time. Also, what we love about Hospro is that you have the ability to actually streamline your your PO strategy. In other words, you can have purchase orders that deliver the goods. I mean, the goods. You can actually have a clear idea about what your clients are asking for and how to really tailor your proposal to make sure that you win the deal in the first place. So that's really good. Let me break it down for you. So when I talk about streamlining your PO strategy, I mean through a Hospro, you have the ability to create a proposal in just a few clicks. You can track orders by line item. So that level of granularity is really wonderful. Also, you can sync with a project tracker and you can predict cost and protect profits. Now, when we talk about protecting profits, we are speaking about profitability, that's for sure. But most importantly, we are also talking about cash inflows and cash outflows. So this really adds an extra layer of liquidity management to your strategy overall, and that's really fantastic. When you think about it, that's really good because the whole idea here is when you send a proposal to a client, you want to win the proposal. When you send a proposal to a client, you want to solidify the relationship. When you send a proposal to a client, you want to retain such clients for the long run. That's why sometimes granularity helps a lot. So when I speak about creating a proposal in just a few clicks, basically what happens here is that within Hospro, when you convert proposal line items into purchase orders, their relevant specs seamlessly carry over, including product names, colors, dimensions, SKUs, and more. So again, going back to what I said earlier, that level of granularity really helps a lot. Also, when we talk about tracking orders by a line item, so from shipped to delivered, you can easily, through a Hospro, easily update and see the progress of all your products. And this is kind of cool because you have a built-in status tracker that will make sure that you are really getting things done and you're getting that level of granularity in real time. And in terms of syncing your data with the project tracker, this is kind of cool also because every PO you create is automatically added to your project tracker to lighten your workload. And you can update an order status in one, and it will instantly show up in the other. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability, but also in terms of adaptability. You can also predict cost and protect profits, right? So by documenting all your projects expenses in one place, you can really better maximize the client budgets and stay on top of your own bottom line. So this goes back to what I said earlier about liquidity management, cash inflow and cash inflow versus cash outflow. So this is really cool, especially when it comes to managing things from a multi-geography point of view. Another feature that we love within Houzz Pro is that you have the ability to actually streamline your activities from A to Z. In other words, you can track products from start to finish. And that's kind of important when you are engaged in multiple projects, when you are bidding on multiple, when you're sending RFPs, RFIs, SOWs, or DDQs. The ability to track products from start to finish is good because it gives you a holistic view of your profitability, of your income, of your expenses, but most importantly, of your revenue potential. And what we love about Houzz Pro is that Houzz Pro allows you to eliminate duplicate work, allows you to customize your project tracker, allows you to navigate with ease, and most importantly, allows you to generate branded tier sheets. I mean, as you know, branded tier sheets are also quintessential when it comes to what we call sustainable marketing. If you want to actually solidify your relationship with the clients, branded tier sheets are sometimes quintessential. So when we talk about eliminating duplicate work, basically you get one central place to see and do it all. So whenever you add a product to a project, share it on a proposal, invoice it, or even add it to a PO, basically Houzz Pro will done things automatically for you. So each item automatically shows up in the project tracker with an updated status. So that's kind of that's really that's a good development. You're able to customize your project tracker. So the project tracker is really built to work for you and adapt to each project's needs. So you can reorder columns and create custom columns so you can easily track exactly and only what's important. No more time wasted on things that are not important for your business or your operations. You can also navigate with ease, so you can easily update product details with a 360 degree view. So for instance, you can select any item, and what happens here is that a side panel will open up so you can fill in additional product information without leaving the project tracker view. And in terms of branded tier sheet, basically you can create custom branded tier sheets with a click of a button. Simply select the items you want to include and click to export as a PDF, or in some cases you can export as a GIF or as a JPEG. Let's talk about pricing here. So when you think about pricing of Houzz Pro, well, the good thing we love is that basically the software can be tested free. So you can test it. You have a free trial, a 30-day free trial, which we really recommend that you take advantage of, because even if you are ready, you're sure about the product and you want to use the Houzz Pro, you always want to give yourself and your team a chance to actually acclimate themselves to the tool. So the 30-day free trial allows you to test out the product, to see the functionalities, the modules, you know, to see all the pros and cons and see how they adapt to your team. The software has 3 variants in terms of pricing. So you have the starter, the essential, and the pro. And the price starts at about $65 to $75 per month per user and moves higher as you claim more features. And the Houzz Pro also has a free edition with limited functionality. So as you can see on the screen here is how the pricing looks like. But basically, you have the essential, the pro, and the custom. Now, the essential, they show in here at $129 per month, but it really depends. The amount they are charging you will depend upon your geography, but also upon your operation. So it's always better to contact customer service to discuss your needs, discuss the features that you want. Okay, but the price will actually go from $65 all the way to $129 per month. But always take advantage of the 30-day free trial. And so that's for the essential. The essential will set you back $129 per month maximum. And the pro will set you back $199 per month. And the custom, they want you to contact sales. So you have to contact sales to see exactly what kind of functionality you want. Okay. And also basically Houzz Pro does have an advertising package that they sell to nearly $500 per month, and so that will be really up to you to see which one which one you want to have. And they also have, from time to time, they have a starter price, and the starter price basically is $0 per month. But after a while, the price goes to 79 all the way to $85 per month. So it really depends on your operations and cash inflows and cash outflows. So the big question is Houzz Pro worth it? Well, we think it is worth it. We think Houzz Pro is really worth it. We think Houzz Pro is legit. Houzz Pro is safe. If you think about the constellation of security protocols that surround the tool, we can say that the Houzz Pro is worth it. When you analyze the functionalities and modules that come with the Houzz Pro, of course, you can say the Houzz Pro is worth it. If you are in the right industry, if you are in the, if you need the functionalities that Houzz Pro actually puts forward, then you can see there's a good match between Houzz Pro and your business. But what we love about Houzz Pro is that Houzz Pro is built. I mean, Houzz Pro likes to position itself as a tool built for every business size and for every industry. But we think that there are certain industries that are more suitable for Houzz Pro than others. So carpenters, design build firms, general contractors, handymen, hardwood flooring dealers and installers, kitchen and bath remodelers, kitchen and bath designers, landscape and architects and designers. You have landscape contractors, painters, roofing and gutter contractors, swimming pool builders. Okay, so you can see that really Houzz Pro is focused on a few industries. Okay, also you have electrical contractors, fencing contractors, garage door contractors, home stagers. You have masonry and concrete contractors, paving contractors, plumbers, siding and exterior contractors, solar energy dealers, tile and stone contractors, window and door contractors. So overall, when you think about Houzz Pro, I want you to think about general contractors. So if you are in the construction, if you are in service industries, you will love Houzz Pro. One thing for sure, again, going back to what I said earlier, this tool is definitely worth it. The features are great. The features are suitable for all kinds of industries, but just please make sure that you talk to customer service first to ask all questions, especially for your specific business, because your business might be might need more features than others. So, and those features may actually may cost extra, and or they may tell you, listen, we think you need to upgrade to a higher pricing tier if you want to unlock all the features that you want in your business. That's why it's always important to talk to someone before you make a final decision, especially if you think about the Houzz Pro as a long-term solution. So what are the closing arguments here to this conversation? I spoke to you about Houzz Pro. I gave you the synopsis, the features. I spoke to you about the pricing. I spoke to you about whether this tool is worth it or not. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.